Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Cash App wallet on your mobile device. Let's get started. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store according to your device. Then, in the search bar, type in Cash App and press search. Look for the app with green dollar icon titled Cash App. Tap on the app to open the download page. Tap Install or Get to start downloading Cash App. Wait for the download to complete. Once installed, tap Open. If you are new, tap Sign Up and follow the instructions to create a new account. If you already have an account, simply tap Login and enter your details. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Cash App on your mobile device. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe to Financify for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.